place is pretty deserted, so we're gonna pull in here and shoot off the fountain. Alright, this is the place I shot last time. It's in like this abandoned plaza. Well, it's not abandoned, it's closed right now, and they close pretty early. And you can see they got a bar on the window, but I'm gonna go over here and I'll light it off in the corner, so stay tuned. Okay, yeah, so for today, it's a classic. It's Garden in Spring. This usually comes in assortment, so if I remember correctly, I probably got this in assortment a long time ago. It's by Winda. Let's see, amid showers of sparks, shoots flaming balls and reports. So this is gonna go up in the air as well as a fountain. So it's kind of cool. See the little graphic on here. It's old school. I don't know how old, but yeah, let's get to it. Let's get a closer look. Garden in Spring by Winda. Yeah, it's not too much weight, but yeah, we'll see. All right, here goes Garden in Spring. Oh, that's nice. Oh shit, it just fell over. Wasn't, well, good thing it wasn't a, yeah, good thing it wasn't a powerful cake. It was powerful enough to tip over, but I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking in the sky and it just tipped over. Damn. I guess that's why you need a cake holder. Get one of those musket shots, or you can try to rig something up, but I didn't think it would have that much impact to it to tip over. But it's kind of a weak cake. It's pretty, but yeah. Real quick, I got some leftover bottle rockets, and these are also from years ago. Let me see what brand they are real quick. It's just a generic bottle rocket. So we're gonna try to do this out the window. All right, we're about to just light this. Wow.